Everybody, today's a very exciting day for my YouTube channel. I've been sent the first product for free for review. So they're watercolor brushes, and I'm going to give them my honest review, and we'll get to it right now. Alright, so here are the brushes that I got in the mail to review from Fuumuui. Fuumuui. So F-U-U-M-U-U-I. And they come in a nice leather pouch. And I haven't opened them yet, and there's 3 travel brushes in here. And these were marked Kolinsky Sable. So I typically have been going to synthetic brushes. However, these, if they perform, you know, these would be a great deal. On Amazon, I'll give you a link, a direct link to get these. But on Amazon, they're in the 20s, and they got a 15% off coupon right now. So I'm hoping to get that up today, and I'll link it to you. So they have a, look, they screw. So they're not going to come loose compared to this Gray Matters brush. They don't screw. Look, I've already messed that up. But that could have been my fault for leaving it open and up against something. And when you post these, sometimes you get a little bit of wobble. I have rinsed this brush. It came right back to a point. I did want to mention about this case that it does have a small, let's see if it can focus, a small pinhole in it that the brush can dry inside the travel case. When I put a brush back on the back in its case out in the field, I always kind of hold my hand against, and I just slowly put the brush back on. I don't grab any of those hairs. Sometimes when you put a brush back in its case, you can accidentally grab one of those single hairs and push it back, and that's no good. That's no good. Here's what I like about it. I like that you can post it and it's secure. I like that the ferrule's not wiggling around. That drives me crazy so far, and this is the first time I've used them. My first impressions is this is a nice brush. I'm going to put another wash on this. Okay, so here is, I don't know if you can see it, that's kind of coming out. There is a single hair that's coming apart from there, but I touched it and it went back in. Let's get another wash on here, and then I'll go to a different size brush. To get it to come to a point, if you are picking up some color, I just roll my brush, get it to a point. I do that with all my brushes. Alright, so I'm going to give this another wash of color in certain areas. I'm going to leave some areas white. This is Strathmore Watercolor Journal. It's kind of ivory looking. This brush is getting too big for the detail that I'm wanting to do because it's a size 12, which looks more like the size 8 of Da Vinci. I think even the size 8's a little bit bigger. Cost is much cheaper with the Fuumuui. So far, I think this is a great option for someone that's wanting to use a Kolinsky brush and can't afford a brand like Da Vinci or Princeton, or even Winsor & Newton. I'm going to do some wet and wet techniques with this brush. Just going to wet that branch, get some of that color. This brush is working well. I always put a little bit of dark around the edges of a branch to make it look round. Okay, let's do it over here. This has a lot of water capacity. I think this is a good travel brush. I'm enjoying using it. I will leave a link in the description below for these. I like how they feel in the hand. They have a nice weighty feel to them. This is Daniel Smith Burnt Tiger's Eye Genuine. It's a Primatech color. I'll put the legs in last. Just drop some in here. This is not cotton paper, so we got to keep that in mind. All right, now I'm going to go in with paint the consistency of cream or maybe even butter so I can get a good dark. This is a soft brush, and I may have to go in with a stiffer brush to get the detail. This is an Emma LaFave brush. I like her brushes. They do hold a nice point, and you can get a good line with them. So I'm going in with the consistency of butter and getting that good point. And then I'm going to take this same brush. Don't expect to get a stiff point with these Kolinsky Sable brushes. They're nice brushes, hold well, a lot of water. But if you want a really stiff point, then you're going to have to go with a synthetic brush. I'm much like this bird that I did with Jane's black, blue, orange. I don't know. It's turning out okay. And I do have even a smaller. This is the number 4 Fuumuui. So, my Chinese is not great. I had to look it up on Google Translate to get the pronunciation. I like these brushes. I think they'd be wonderful for landscapes. Well, that's my review of the Fuumuui travel brushes, the Sable travel brushes. So I think that the best part I liked about them was the fact that they posted really well and they didn't rattle. The ferrule's real strong. They hold a nice point. They rendered me really good results, and they held a lot of water. Fuumuui gave me a 20% discount code for all of my watchers, my viewers, and so go down there in the description below and, you know, get you some of these brushes. I think they're really good for a really good price. So thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate you.